Hi everyone, today we're going to be creating a simple do-it-yourself Dollar Tree heart-shaped box wreath decoration. Okay, so what we're going to start off with doing is we're going to take some acrylic paint and we're going to apply the paint to the heart-shaped box. This box I was able to find at my local Dollar Tree store. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just applying my light pink acrylic paint, and after this I will be applying my white acrylic paint. Um, I will leave the exact paint color in the description as well as on my blog. Okay, so if you have a heating tool, this is where I would recommend using that. This will just help the process move along faster. If not, you can just set your heart-shaped box aside and allow it to dry for maybe 10-15 minutes. Okay, so now I'm just finishing up using some white acrylic paint. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be taking some faux pearls and I'm just using some adhesive and I'm going to attach the pearls around the heart. You can also use hot glue if you prefer. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm just taking some wire and I'll just wrap that around my box. After wrapping that around, I will place my heart-shaped box onto my grapevine wreath. Then I'll just take my wire and I'll just go ahead and insert that throughout my wreath and tie it off. I just found this easier to attach the box, and I am also going to apply some hot glue as well. Okay, so this is where I am taking my hot glue gun and I'm just applying some of the glue just on some of the surfaces of the box just to keep it from moving around. Okay, so next what you're going to do is just take some floral cutters and begin to cut your faux floral. Once you have cut your floral, just set it aside. We'll be coming back to that and we're going to be adding it into the heart-shaped box. Okay, so next just take your floral and add it into your box. You can use the foam blocks and then insert your floral into the foam blocks if you prefer. Okay, so the last step is just to add some greenery. You can just go without, or you can add just a small section of greenery, or you can go all the way around your wreath with more greenery. I just added a small section, and that completes this simple DIY project. I hope you have enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you decide to create your very own. I'll see you soon.